Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova Y91 and let me share with you how to set camera timer on this device. So first of all, let's open the camera app, let's tap on it. Alright, okay, whichever. We have the camera, so we have to enter the settings which are in the right upper corner. The timer option is in general, so basically in this device it does not really matter on which mode you will be. You can just enter the settings and you can see that you've got the photo settings, video settings, etc. So here in the general settings we've got the timer on the third position, so let's tap on it, and here we've got 4 different options. So the off option, 2, 5 and 10 seconds delay. Let me pick 10 seconds delay, so as you can see it's pretty easy. All you have to do is to tap on the option, it will be immediately applied. Now we can go back to the camera and tap on the shutter button. And as you can see, your device will count down from 10, 5 or 2, depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. Alright. We can of course always turn it off. Just pick the off option and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.